So this is my 91 6.2 diesel. I got two brand new interstate batteries. I just put them in. The 8 injectors have been changed. I got current going to all of them. I have current on this wire on top of the pump that opens the solenoid. I bled the system from this bleeder here. I bled the system from on top of the injectors. I opened up maybe 7 of them. I had fuel coming out of them. And now I'm going to start it. I'm going to turn it over. And that's what I get. Doesn't start, won't even try to start. I spray ether in there. I've tried brake fluid. I know it's not good to spray ether in there, but I don't know what else to do. I changed the electric pump underneath the driver's seat in the frame to prime the system. I changed that, brand new.